People ask me what if it didn't work, but my mom called me a millionaire, and that encouragement made me to continue the journey. Hi, I'm Jonathan Goforth, Managing Director of Rock Enterprises. We manufacture t-shirts and all kinds of knitwears for corporate companies, automobile companies, and all kinds of industries. சின்ன வயசுலேருந்து நானும் எங்கள் அண்ணன் தம்பிலாம் சேர்ந்து நிறைய சின்ன ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ்லாம் சேல் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸ்கூல்ல இருந்தே இந்த கலர் ஃபிஷ் விற்கிறதுலேருந்து இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய ப்ராடக்ட் சேல் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ காலேஜ் ஜாயின் பண்ண பிறகு நாங்கள் நிறைய கஸ்டமைஸ் டிஷர்ட்ஸ் பசங்க போட்டுட்டு இருந்ததை நான் பார்த்தேன். ஸோ வி தாட் லைக் why can't we just create a brand where we provide this creative t-shirts. So my elder brother, who's a designer, I wanted to club with them to create a brand where we provide creative t-shirts. That's when the spark started actually. So 20,000 rupees was my first billing for MIT college. It was a customized t-shirt order for an event in MIT. So I was working in L&T during those times. So my younger brother who was studying actually those days, he helped me a lot in transportation of all the products. So early morning அது எங்களுக்கு திருப்பூர்லேருந்து சென்னைக்கு வரும். And my elder brother who was in Thailand during those times, he was helping me with invoices, sending mock-ups to customers, and he also helped me how I can systemize the business in the earlier days. After that, we got an ample amount of customers, so I resigned my job and I came back to Chennai and I stayed in Tirupur for a while and learned every process of how the t-shirts is getting manufactured, and we formed a team and we have now an own manufacturing unit now in Tirupur. So these were my earlier days when it comes to my business. Earlier days, people used to ask, are you a trader or manufacturer when it comes to these t-shirts? I tell them we were a manufacturer right from the beginning. We were never into this trading. Because of that, we were able to give the perfect fit for women when it comes to this customization. Usually, we might have seen there's girls rolling up the sleeves and all that. That will never happen in our product. We make sure women wear the perfect fit. It happens just because we are the manufacturer. The first year, we had about 8 customers. The whole year, we were able to crack down 8 customers. Now, by the grace of God, we got around 125 plus customers. A positive word and a creative design can transform your life. And we wanted to incorporate that into t-shirt. I stepped down from a well-comfortable job as an assistant professor to start this entrepreneurial journey. If you are about to start something new, don't wait for any permission. Just jump into it. It's definitely worth it.